Sithwala imithwalo yethu. Amandla. Viva ANC, 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 viva! Viva SACP, 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 viva! Viva COSATU, 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 viva! Viva Sanko, 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 viva! Wathinta umama, wathinta imbokodo. Roar, young lions, roar! Roar, young lions, roar! Phambili ngamagqala ethu, phambili! Thank you very much, Comrade Chairperson. Amandla. Amandla. Isiphamandla. Isiphamandla goge uyamazi umfo kuthiwa ngubafo. Hey. La ndoda yaseNgquzayeli yandinika nje free airtime. Enkosi kakhulu Sihlalo, Comrade Mvoko, the Deputy Chairperson of our province. The chaplains, African National Congress, Umfundisi uMqwathi ndiyambona pha ngasemva, Umfundisi uMantini osivulele kamnandi apha namhlanje washumayela ngobafo. Kaloku umfo ngumntaka bobafo. Ebeshumela ngomfomozi yena. Yeah. So umfo xa eseBhayibhileni ubafo ulapha. The National Executive Committee members, as called phakathi kwethu, the NEC deployees in our province, Comrade Obed Bapela, Comrade Nobuhle, Dr. Nobuhle Nkabane, and our convener, Comrade Umamlugu. Ningakwazi ngathi sibanjwe nalomntu. The PEC members, ezikhoyo apha zonke, officials, Mandla, our league's leadership and the delegations, ebezikhona apha, the alliance, comrades, and delegates, friends from our fraternal organization, my comrade Molweni Kalenjikalanga. Comrades, I came here with a very, very solid prepared speech of 26 pages. But just about we start the conference, I was compelled to change that speech into 7 pages. Now I'm not going to present the speech that was prepared here for this organization, I'm going to present a speech that is coming from me on behalf of this collective. This PC adopted a speech, adopted an organizational report, adopted a financial report, all those ones. Sisazibeke kancinci ecaleni sabuya ngoku ngazo. Comrades, before I can go any further, and I will be speaking here quite plainly, but I want firstly, comrades, to profusely apologize to members of the ANC in Eastern Cape. I want to apologize to the African National Congress as a whole. We have been trying to master something good for the African National Congress in our province. Ndiyabona ke kukhona nje ukufuna ukugqwediza sibuyele umva. Omnye comrade ebendikhumbuza ukuba solibala ba inkomfa yango 2022 yaqala Sunday instead of starting Friday. Here in this platform, in 2017, we had a conference which was later characterized as a festival of chairs. 2017, 2022, now we almost regressed completely because we were no longer able to deal with our issues in the manner in which ANC has regulated. Those who cannot come and stand here in front of you decided to go to court. I was saying in the PC this morning, I got worried because it looks like we as the PC now, we are not different from the members that have been reported about that are running away with QR codes, with the packages and all that, at a point of coming to the membership and account. The Constitution of the ANC says the leadership of the ANC is accountable to the membership. Not in court, but here in the membership. It doesn't say the membership is accountable to leadership. So sit abanocela uxolo kuni. Let's really humble ourselves, comrades, that you gave us almost 4 years, a privilege of being called leadership wherever we go, a privilege of being respected by all, a privilege some of us took it for granted. That's the only reason that makes you to run away from the membership at a point when the membership expects you to come and report. So we want to apologize, comrades, for such issues. Kuyabonakala chawa into kokuba sinalo uqweqwe lengqakaqha engade ifuna ukusuka. Xa umana ujonga siphuma phakathi kwezinto. Siphuma phakathi kwamadabi asithandabuzisayo. Asibangela ukoyika. Kaloku siwixesha lelento ngonye incawa yamahlamvu ngomso amachechi ndithi mfundisi nechaplain selapha kanithandaze man nisithandazise kuba eyona ngxaki endiyibonayo ngoku siphila kwixesha elinzima apho ingelosi zisenziwa oSathana oSathana besenziwa ingelosi. Comrades, we are gathered here this afternoon under very, very constrained and restrained environment. We would want to say everything, but we can't say everything as per the reports that we have prepared. Because now we are meeting here under serious court microscopic view, but we'll deal with that as we move. Allow me, comrades, to tell you that we are gathered here at an agenda conference, not merely to deliberate on procedural matters, but to confront a moment that will define the future of our movement. Comrades, at a point when we were almost half done or almost done with the registration, we were hit by the litigation that was interdicting our conference. And we had to contend with that through our legal team. And that is a matter that in jurisprudence they say is sub judice or is under litigation. So it's a matter that I would really don't want to venture much on, because our legal team is actively involved in that. And I don't want us to reduce this gathering, which we have termed it now, comrade, as Cadres Forum, but also that we would want it to also look at the issues of elections. That's a decision of the PSA that we're coming from. We were almost forced, comrades, not to look at you in your eyes and talk to you. And we felt that that cannot be allowed. It should not be like that. We needed to come and stand in front of you first and say, we apologize. It was out of our control, out of our making. But we better be late than never. We better be late than never. So we are working without, we are moving, walking within those parameters. This terrain, comrades, is the terrain upon which we stand. Is neither neutral nor accidental, as was the case during the wars of resistance and was the case in the darkest days of the apartheid. The Eastern Cape has once again been marked as a primary target and, by consequence, the national standing of the movement. What may superficially present itself as an internal organizational dynamics increasingly reveals itself as part of a broader, coordinated, and a counter-revolutionary agenda. Why am I saying so, comrades? It's because those who oppose the cause of liberation understand a fundamental truth that we must never forget. If the Eastern Cape is fragmented, the overall organizational coherence of the African National Congress evaporates. I've been in the NEC meeting for some time. Every time we discuss and engage and analyze, we say Eastern Cape, Limpopo, and others must do better. So it's not a just mere coincidence that both Limpopo and Eastern Cape were interdicted for their conferences. These are two provinces, together with Northwest, that show serious resilience when the ANC was almost under attack just recent in the national elections. We are, comrades, a serious historic stronghold of the African National Congress. Nilapa, my comrade, nonke, because we have gone through what is called a foundational course. We were expecting you and preparing you to be at another level in terms of consciousness. But at the same time, we're beginning to rekindle this sense of conscience on each and every member of the African National Congress. We have been, comrades, an ideological anchor of the struggle for the liberation. We are, comrades, that province of OR Tambo that province of Walter Sisulu, that province of Thabo Mbeki, Govan Mbeki, Nelson Mandela, Winnie Madikizela Mandela, that province that nurtured Umama Charlotte Maxeke, and many, many other stalwarts of our movement. We are that soil, comrades, from which the tree of freedom has been nurtured. Apho, my comrade, lomthi wenkululeko ubu irrigator khona okanye ubunkcenkceshelwa khona. And precisely, comrades, because of that, the enemies of progress have trained their sights on us. What presents itself as an internal organizational dynamics is in reality something far more sinister than what you see. We have resisted the July unrest when everything was almost falling apart in our country, the economy being targeted. We stood firm. We continued, comrades, to champion the renewal in the African National Congress. Against all odds, we led a strong delegation going to 2012 conference of the ANC, following or building on the foundation that was laid before us. We led a delegation to 2017 Congress, a very difficult conference which was also contested because nasi fundisa into yoba ngo-2007 kulula ukucontesta upresident. Okokwathi kwacontestwa ubupresident zange i-ANC yaphinde yakwazi uba nobunormal, which is a sign of poor management of transition, which is a challenge that is basically characterizing issues that we are seeing here. Nina na ucimba nixakene nento zenu zalapha. I can tell you, comrades, with my clear conscience that issues that we are grappling with are not just about Eastern Cape. They are national in nature and in character. Abantu base-Eastern Cape ke xa kuthiwa i-ANC izohlala i-conference balindele into yokokuba i-ANC ithi ubomi babo buguqulwa njani ngokukhawuleza, sigqithe kwi-lip service. Abayilindelanga le nto bebeyibukele kwi-social media nakomabonakude over the last 2 days. That's why, comrades, we must be remorseful. We must sometimes regret other things, even if they make us feel good, even if they make us feel strong. Things that make us to be preoccupied by self-aggrandizement more than the real issues of objective nature for the African National Congress. We came here, comrades, because ANC in its constitution made it very clear, quite succinctly, what are its aims and objectives. And all of you, you made a solemn oath to say you join this ANC simply because you are subjecting yourself to this ANC. At no stage, the ANC ANC is always assuming that amalungu ayo join ANC, ayo ANC join amalungu. We are witnessing, comrades, a coordinated counter-revolutionary agenda designed to divide, weaken, and ultimately neutralize this province. When the foundation cracks, comrades, the entire structure trembles. Therefore, comrades, the defense of the unity in the Eastern Cape is not a provincial imperative. It is a national strategic necessity. But let us be clear, comrades, about what is at stake. The conference that we were meant to have here was not merely about filling positions. That's why we are still seated here, even if we are not talking about filling positions now because of interdict. but was about how do we strengthen and rebuild the ANC in a most difficult year of local government elections. Comrades, sijongene nengxaki yokuvuselela i-ANC eno 40% national. All what has been happening here should not really be happening. Worse when it is done by the most senior and trusted. Comrades, this conference is not about ambitions of individuals or the narrow interest of factions. We must put an end to petty squabbles and personal jealousies. These, comrades, are the words of our greatest strategist, Utata Oliver Tambo, who once warned us that, and I quote, "We must put an end to petty squabbles and the personal jealousies and unite our people around a common program of action." As a province, comrades, we were very clear on upward trajectory because in this province there's been stability. And stability, political stability, creates policy certainty in a governing party like ANC. That's the reason why we don't have a coalition government in the province. And we're not going to allow this. If I ndim, ngono ANC ingabikho kwayona. Akho mntu unyanzela mntu ngokuba athi uyastand. It's a risk that you take personally to stand. Comrade Obi, we went to the January 8th celebrations in Mafikeng, in Sun City, in Northwest. On the day of the January 8th celebration, the main day, we woke up into a massive campaign driven by influencers nationally, social media, Twitter, every space, massive, clearly funded campaign, massive. We were asking ourselves, when we left the province, we were most closer in trying to find each other and unite so that we can have a normal conference. We got that shock. We were asking ourselves the question as individuals, what has happened? And the offensive went on and on and on. So we were quite looking forward to the contest because this is what ANC allows, those festival of ideas, so that the leadership elected is elected democratically and everybody rally behind it. And we have made this point at some point in the PEC meetings, out of political inputs. There is no way that you can simply rely that you will manipulate the ANC systems for you to be elected. There is no way. It doesn't exist. The ANC in the Eastern Cape is normal, is stable. That's why you are all here, even now at this hall, and you have been here waiting patiently. Umntu othi kukho ingxaki e-Eastern Cape ne-ANC, ingxaki nguye, ingxaki phaa kuye. Comrades, the persistence of factionalism, personality cults, and narrow interest creates a fertile ground for infiltration and manipulation. To put it, comrades, bluntly, what is currently underway are the seeds of counter-revolution. I've never seen a conference of the ANC that will have lobby groups led by other people from other political parties. It's a counter revolution tendency, comrades. If we sit here as these PEC members, because you elected us, but we agree in line with NEC instruction, we adopt a roadmap, we say let's go to BGMs, we give time frames, deadlines, but we have got PEC members with branches where they belong that don't even move and make an attempt, even submit to regional secretaries that our BGM is on this day, because from the word go, people knew. Abantu ba nenza ngabom okanye nenza kubaningazi. Xa utyala umoya uvuna isitshingitshane. So it's very clear, comrades, that the strategy to collapse this conference was not just what we saw in court. It has been there. First one was to make this conference not to make 70% threshold. That's the reason why some branches never even attempted. It worries me, Comrade Mamluk, when you see a branch where a mayor belongs to, but that branch doesn't move. That's a serious cadre of the movement deployed. But that branch doesn't even convene a meeting and prepare. Funeka sihlale apha sithi loo nto right normal. Every member of the ANC belongs to a branch. We leave everything, comrades, to go to our branches and BGMs when they sit their meetings, so that we are counted in that quorum. Because that branch might not correct simply because it has got a member who is in me, who's all over the show. We condemn, comrades, those tendencies. But it's okay now. They would have done it enough because they were doing it here amongst us. Now they are exposed to the whole membership of the ANC in the Eastern Cape. These division, comrades, are often neither organic nor innocent. They are sponsored, amplified, and exploited by forces hostile to the liberation movement. They seek to achieve, through internal discord, what they could never achieve through direct confrontation. Vladimir Lenin, comrades, in the crucible of another revolution, issued a warning that echoes across the century to reach us here today, that disunity is tantamount to surrender. Let that sink in, comrades. Disunity, comrades, is tantamount to succumbing. When we fight amongst ourselves for the spoils of office while the people wait for development, we surrender. When we allow personal ambitions to override collective discipline, we surrender. When we become agents of division rather than soldiers of unity, we hand victory to those who would see this movement destroyed. What about motive forces? What about motive forces? What about the National Democratic Revolution? What is currently underway is not a singular opposition, but a convergence of disparate forces. While these forces advance different ideological justification, they converge around a singular objective: the removal of the ANC from power. Ndenzela nzima kwalantu ba ube nobuhlobo nomuntu okwi-opposition, oyi-opposition yakho. Indihambisa nzima laa nto, ndiye ndimane ndizibuza umbuzo uba ewe singazi izitshomi zirayithi, but we are in a serious revolution. Utate uNkwame Nkrumah once observed that, comrades, the forces that unite us are intrinsic and greater than the superimposed influences that keep us apart. Close quote. The task of the African National Congress, therefore, is not to dismiss these contradictions, but to politically engage and resolve them in a manner that strengthens unity rather than fractures it. Ndiyavuya fokanqakula kanti ukubona apho bendibuya dlala. Wathi induma zakho zingaphambili, wena uzawiza kule ndawo i-ANC ethe iza kuyo. Ingxaki zakho uzozixoxa apha. So that on its own is a huge statement, comrades, that lobby groups pre-exist the ANC conferences. If you still continue post a conference, you are a faction. And you are not supposed to be here. African National Congress. The task, comrades, of the ANC, as I've said, is not to dismiss these contradictions at all. As the ANC comrades, we are steadfast. These forces will not succeed. ANC will triumph, and rightfully owners of the organization will renew the mandate of the PEC. And in that regard, we are very clear, comrades. The moment of renewal is upon us and will not change. You don't talk about renewal up, izenzo zingathethi loo nto. I-renewal ithi funeka unyamezele pain. Ingakumbi the self-inflicted pain. So that you don't blame other people about your own making. As the ANC comrades, we must be vigilant. The defense of our revolution requires vigilance not only against external opposition, but also against internal weaknesses. The struggle to maintain unity in the Eastern Cape is in essence a struggle to defend the very core of the African National Congress. We decisively reject all attempts, whether internally or externally, driven to divide our province over narrow pedestrian matters. Unity, discipline, and ideological clarity remain our most potent weapons. In the moment, comrades, we are very clear, comrades, that legally we cannot proceed with the conference as the appeal has been successfully lodged, or let me put it right. In the moment, comrades, we are very clear that we can proceed with the conference as the appeal has been successfully lodged. And its legal implication is that the interim interdict operations are suspended. But comrades, as the ANC, we have chosen this path of constitutional democracy and its implication, comrades, that we believe in the rule of law and we are law-abiding organization and we are not rogue and will never act contemptuous. Ndithi Maqabane. Ndithi Maqabane. Bethi isilungu esinzima because. Ndithi. I-ANC nangona besinalo ilungelo lokuthi kule ndawo. Based on legal advice, legal opinion, we sought that we can steam ahead. But the message out there that we will be sending, simply because there is an interdict, works against the African National Congress as an organization that has brought change and an organization that is an agent for change that is leading the transformation of our country. An organization that brought about constitutional democracy we are enjoying today in South Africa. Sikhethe ke ma comrade, sisebenza noNdlunkulu wethu ngokubonisana okokuba masihloniphe lonto ma comrade. Singakulinge siqhubeke nokokuba sizibonakalise ngokungathi sinyevulela inkundla zomthetho. Bendithe xa bendithetha namathole apha a few weeks ago, that comrades, patience is a virtue. Patience is a virtue, comrades. Kuthiwa ke ngesiXhosa okanye ndithi umzingisa kanashwa, perseverance prevails. Kodwa umzabalazo yinto onyanyezelwa, comrades. Even at a point when you think that yonke into ikwi-control yakho, you can do as you wish, you are protected, etc. Namhlanje sivuke ngamaphepha okokuba siyabanjwa kuba sikwi-contempt of court. Akukaqali naloo nkomfa ekuthiwa sibanjelwa yona. Khange ibekho naloo nkomfa. Siyagrogriswa, siyathreatenishwa, because kukho abantu abacelebrate into yoba i-ANC idlale ngemali, ichithakelwe imali yayo yokugqibela, yenza inkomfa. Phofu aba bantu ngabe-ANC. They celebrate there in the social media. Bazawufika bathi ngenye phambi kwenu siyi-leadership. So comrades, as I've said earlier, ukuza kwethu kuni sizocela uxolo. Into yoba sithi khane sinikele nje umzuzwana, ithutyana elingabhekele phi. Enye yezinto esizawuzenza between now and Monday, thina sisi-official sivene from the PC meeting, that is sizawuthwala ibheki zethu siqabela apha elithuli. Sicele intlanganiso. Sicele intlanganiso ne-officials okokuba noku into enjengale masingayixoxi sipha kude ngokukhwazana. We must talk to each other and not talk at each other. Kodwa sonke singabantu bokukhusela i-ANC. Amandla. So in National Executive Committee Maqabane ibithe zonke inkomfa mazibe zihleli by end of this month. Aba badisrupta le conference, badisrupta le conference kuba bengafuni ihlale, benenkolelo yokokuba xa ingahlelanga le conference bazawuhlala nangona besitya i-ANC bengaphakathi. Bahlale kuyo ngaphakathi. Ukungahlali kwale conference, comrades, it is not our own making. We have done everything right. That's why you are here and you are all registered. You were all registered delegates for this conference. We were prepared to run a very smooth conference. A registration conference was done of all voting delegates on time, on the day that was scheduled. It is very unfortunate that we found ourselves where we are. When we said, is it Dima say ANC? Siyabuya, comrades. We are going to the national leadership. We have spoken to the national leadership. They are also keen because they would want us to find a collective solution on this particular matter moving forward. This conference is going to sit, comrades. It must sit before the end of April. Amandla, we are going there to say, Tina, we have complied. The court order, siyabuya, siyabuya. The court order, comrades, ithe kwezi zinto i-ANC etyholwa ngazo ngorhixihlixi mayihambe iyolungisa ezi zinto yawuba igqibe ukuzilungisa ibheke enkomfeni yayo. Ayithanga masiye enkomfeni ngoJune okanye ngoSeptember, ithe nangomso xa ngaba ezi zinto zigqityiwe inkomfa ye-ANC ingaqhuba. Kodwa sithe kuba siyabona into kokuba singa-interdictelwa nokucula apha. Unga-interdictelwa nohamba uyothenga izikipa apha kwabantu bathengisayo. Unga-interdictelwa nohaga umntu. Saqonda into kokuba let's choose a safer option. That, comrades, we all understand that patience is a virtue. And we believe, because the national leadership has been with us, has been seeing what has been happening, the strain, the attempt we've made, you sacrifice, comrades, so much to see to it that those BGM sit. Bakhona abantu abakwi-ANC ke abangazange bayibona i-BGM qha bakhokele. Abangayaziyo noba i-BGM xa ihlala kanzima kanjani. So kulula ke kwabo bantu ukwenza nantoni nge-ANC. But when you see older people, senior citizens, at 12 midnight sitting in a BGM, and you are told that a person on a QR code ubalekile, a person or a leader or a RC member or PEC member on a package, umkene package. We condemn those issues, comrades. All what we have been hearing, we condemn lento siyivayo ekuthiwa yi-ID harvesting. Abantu abaqokelela i-IDs, ba-40 IDs, kuthiwa ibranch ihleli icorrecting. Those things are wrong, comrades. They must not be done. They undermine the renewal agenda we are pursuing in the ANC. Comrades, it is precisely for this reason that the ANC must act with a serious circumspect. Ndikhumsha kakhulu nje ndizama uba ndingagqadazeli. Ndigile izinto ezingagilwayo. As we act, comrades, with circumspect, guided by our constitution, our values, and long-standing traditions of our democratic centralism, that must be respected. If democratic centralism, elite officials, NOBs can meet and take a decision that they can be able to process to NWC as well as to the NEC. Njengalapha eprovince. Ayikho i-democratic centralism yomntu. I-democracy kanye into yabantu. So i-autocracy xa ingumntu. So ngathi ke ngoku-act as umntu, ungakulinga uyiconfuse ke loo nto ne-democratic centralism. We are not an organization, comrades, that acts recklessly or in defiance of the due process. We are a movement that has consciously chosen the path of constitutional democracy, and therefore we are bound both politically and morally to uphold the rule of law. The directives, comrades, of the Secretary General to place this conference in abeyance until further notice is not a sign of weakness, nor is it a retreat. It is a demonstration of a principled leadership, a leadership that respects the organizational processes, and a leadership that is committed in ensuring that all outcomes are beyond reproach, both politically and legally. ANC ayisosiphaza shop ndovuka uyenze kwakuhlala ANC. That's why it is now regulated in a guidelines in into yonke into ba funeka uyazi ba ifana nqwano babutyebi mqwathi ekuthiwa bubutyebi esibuphethe ngezitya zodongwe incamisa yabo ikuthixo. To proceed, comrades, in haste, even where there may be a legal argument to do so, would expose the organization to unnecessary risks, deepened divisions, and potentially delegitimize the very outcome we seek to defend. Kukwiziqu, comrades, ezingekhoyo ezidecide unge-7 from the PC buses up, azikho up, without apology. Umbutho makomrade ulapha. Umbutho awuzolandela iziqu ezingekhoyo. Iziqu zizawubuyela embuthweni njengeziqu ebezijoyine umbutho. The ANC, comrade, does not simply seek to be legally correct. It must be organizationally legitimate and politically unassailable. Kungabikho lula nje kuyizana kanjani uyithiphule. Our movement, comrades, has survived for over a century precisely because it has balanced militancy and with discipline and agency with strategic patience. Acting with restraint at this moment is an expression of strength, not indecision. As a province, comrades, we have complied with every provision of the ANC constitution and adhered to all relevant guidelines. Hence, today, we have submitted to SG all the information that would have not been cleared, including the PDRC report and everything with those verdicts. To say, SG, your yesterday's letter, you are at liberty to review it tomorrow. Ukuthi ANC iredi, therefore amagqwetha ethu makabheke court ayoti, here we have ticked the boxes according to your instruction. So we are senza loo nto makomrade on your behalf. Sinikeni nje loo mbeko kwenzela into okokuba singabhudi into ngoku. Besingabhudanga nto phofu nangaphambili. Xa sibanjwa nje inkunzi. But comrades, more importantly, we are committed to ensuring that when the conference reconvenes, it does so on a firm, united, and uncontested organizational footing. Xa ndibona ngoku apha bendingayazi uba kunje, ndiyabona bengazi uba kwa-contest moza. So kuyabonakala into yoba bakhona abayazileyo uba ayikho i-contest. Ngcono kubhekwe court, iyo-contestwe court, ngoba ayizucontesteka apha. Into ebuhlungu, macomrade, kukuba kuyohlukunyezwa abantu abangenanto, asibazi uba abanayo le mali, bayasokola, bazama uphila, baqokelelwe, banikwe imali ezimdaka, bahambe bayoma, babe bubuso e-court bento ezingekhoyo. Umzekelo, my comrade, it's not that our legal team didn't argue the point. The so-called 3 first applicants, Kulama Pepper, ANC, all of them, 3 of them never bothered to go to a BGM. ANC said you go to a pre-BGM, as a member you go to a BGM, but umntu ozixelele into yoba akafuni i-ANC nantlanganiso yayo ufuna uye court akayi kwi-BGM so that angabotshelelwa ngento kokuba i-internal processes zithini. Kuba kaloku you can't appeal when you are not in BGM. That's the only reason why they choose to go to court. Frivolous litigation. Ku-abuzwa inkundla zase-South Africa ezisokolayo ezinengxaki ezininzi. We must stand up, comrades, and champion the transformation and defend our cause as well. Andifuna uyithetha ke into endike ndayithetha komnye unyaka apha kuSipha. Ndathi abantu base-South Africa, they needed to be protected from the then public protector. Ndatsho kuba ndabona into kokuba ngu-public protector lo kodwa siyafuna ukukhuselwa kuye singabantu base-South Africa. Lo wayekhona zange kube kudala uphi ngoku kwenzeka ntoni after edlale ngathi wasihlukumeza esixhela edlala ipolitiki eofisini karhulumente. So funa siziprotecte macomrade inkundla, and asifuni nomnye umuntu we-ANC macomrade from le Cadres Forum sikuyo namhlanje ozawuphuma apha ayobhala kwi-social media ethuka ii-judges. Umsindo wethu mayibe ngumsindo wabantu abaqondayo, mayibe ngumsindo wabantu abaqaphelayo, mayibe ngumsindo wabantu abarhabuleyo, singabi nomsindo wasesitratweni. Asikho kwitshantshalaza, sisembuthweni. But comrades, more importantly, we are committed to ensuring that when the conference reconvenes, it does so, as I've said, on a very firm, united and uncontested organizational footing. This moment, comrades, must not deflate all those who came here as delegates. Ningamkini no moyo sezantsi. Uthi uMposile uPawulos xa uswela amandla zuza amandla ngakumbi. Awuyaqhuba ubafo ngokwezicawa. On the contrary, comrades, njengoba sisithi sanduphela amandla, these comrades must invigorate and mobilize you more to defend ANC unity, to defend ANC integrity, to defend ANC mission. A mission ye-ANC, my comrade, is to deliver the National Democratic Society in South Africa. And andiqondi ikhona into ezawuthi xa sibuya masiqale phansi. Asizuphinda siyothi umuntu ebengakhange ahlale i-BGM nge-road map kuthiwe phinda uyohlala i-BGM. Delegates are registered. When we come back, siyakulungisa nje.